So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number. Then guys type HP DeskJet 4100. So you can see olive in one. Okay, ink. This is Jet plus. This is D. So this one. Okay, that is your printer. So by default automatically detect your operating system Windows 11. If you wrong, and so click to choose and select your operating system and then click to update. Okay, then you can see this is your driver. Okay, this is HP smart software which is required to internet. So this printer driver install via this software. Okay, and this is a firmware 7 MB installer software full basic support. So this is offline use only, and this is full driver including software also. You just click to download, it will start automatically. So you can see this. Okay, after 3 minutes to done, then try to install and then click to setup. Now this is extract data to your system. Then click to yes. So you can see this, continue. So this is software better by the setting and use data like that. So you can, yes. Now this is searching the printer. If it all the printer it show the HP company in this network. If not getting, just continue. So you can see that there are two type, wireless network and USB network. So wireless and USB. So if you select this, and next if you know the printer Wi-Fi, so click this and it will show the printer on your network. Okay, now it is not detect to try to install by USB installation. Okay, and come to back, select USB, connect to printer to USB to your laptop, and then it will detect the driver will next to install, then restart.